Duond bura mar People's Liberation Party Martha Karua jakednera tero mar Oganda Lin Gugi kachiel kod jakanyo maduol mar ruogo kinde Leskai Gloria Kimani otam donje piny libamba ma Tanzania mana kinde machuok bang' molo e paw ndege ma Mwalimu Nyerere International Airport Dar es Salaam okinyi makawuono. Jadek gone chano malimo jatende kweth maketo piny owacho ma Tanzania tesre Tundu Lissu abene duond bura mare ogeng'ne kuom chung' e yiero maduong' ma pinyno. Riwruogo kinde ma Tanzania TLS kokalo kuom jatendgi Boniface Mwabukusi onyiso tend piny Tanzania mondo mi olu chik kendo giwere gi timbe mathiro ratich oganda e pinyno.
Denied entry. I particularly was asked why I was going to Tanzania. And I said I was a guest of the East Africa Law Society. At that stage, the immigration officer took my passport, told me to wait. After a while, he told me to go to the supervisor. If we can be detained and deported because they know that we are there to attend as observers the case against Tundu Lissu tomorrow, it means that they are violating the right to a fair public trial. There is fear in this government of our dear Mama Suluhu about people who may be interested in the politically motivated cases against Tundu Lissu. A luta continua.
A luta continua.